I don't know about you guys, but for me, groceries is the most notoriously overspent category in my budget. And I found that I've been able to gain control over my grocery spending by dividing my monthly budget into 4 weekly categories. But sometimes I forget which week of the month I'm in, especially because most months have more than 28 days. Well, one way to handle that is instead of having a week 1 groceries category, I have a groceries spending category. And I budget for that for the first week of the month, and then let's say that it's the 10th of the month. Well, I could go ahead and I can release my week 2 grocery spending money into that grocery spending category, and I now have $129 available to spend on groceries. Then when I check out at the store, I just go ahead and I choose grocery spending as my category. No more trying to remember which week of the month it is, and I know exactly how much I have left to spend until next week arrives. When that happens, I'll go ahead and release this $120 by moving it into my grocery spending category, and I'll know that all of my data is in this one single category, but I'm still in control with knowing how much I have left to spend for the rest of the month.